Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. So yesterday I talked about GameStop and what I think could happen, or what I would do. Right, I'm essentially just waiting it out. I didn't want to FOMO into GameStop. I didn't want to FOMO into Loopring with the rumors of their NFT marketplace opening up on LRC. Pre-market, it doesn't seem like anything's going on. Not really, to be honest. It doesn't seem like you have any movement at all off of the news from Reddit, and it doesn't seem like it's going to be doing really anything. Today. Again, this is just pre-market hours right now. It can definitely turn around intraday and then move to the upside super hard. But as of right now, it's not moving anything at all. And I definitely expected a heavier move because all TA on GameStop says it's going to go down to like $100. I'll be completely honest. I haven't uploaded a TA, but every piece of TA that I do on GameStop says that it's going down to $100. Hate me or love me, that's what it says. But I thought this news would help push GameStop. If this doesn't do anything, if this piece of news doesn't help do anything for GameStop, I think you're going to drop from here. I think this is another. I think this is another cycle top or another trend top, and I think you're going all the way down to like one. I think you're going down to 136 again, possibly lower. I think you're going down to $100. TA says $100. I will stand by that unless price does differently. As of right now, if I were to do a TA on GameStop, it's saying it's going down to $100, which would be, what's the next actual big resistance? Here, $100. I don't know. It said $100. It said that next big resistance would be like $100. So if unless price does anything right now or move on news, I doubt that it's gonna run up super hard. Or maybe it can. It's GameStop. It can do whatever it wants. But as far as TA right now, it's showing $100. This is more of just an open opinion of, I was hoping to see GameStop move more pre-market, and right now that it hasn't, it's a good indicator for me to what to expect from the price movement of GameStop intraday today. And it seems like I shouldn't expect anything. That's why I'm glad I didn't FOMO in, or I'm not FOMOing into it. I'm going to wait it out about a day or two or three to see what happens on price. I don't care if I buy the bottom on GameStop. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. So far, it's a little disappointing, but I can't be disappointed because every single piece of news for GameStop for the last year has been absolutely shit, basically. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.